The first winter storm is expected to hit a number of areas in Manitowoc on Thursday afternoon and into the next few days. The Manitowoc region will be under a winter storm warning from noon Thursday until 9 a.m. Friday as widespread snow accumulation is expected. According to the NWS, a clipper-type system is expected to bring 5 to 8 inches of snow and 7 to 10 inches closer to Lake Michigan due to lake elevation. The storm will impact the lakeshore areas of Manitowoc, Dorr and Kewaunee. Several videos circulating on social media can be seen showing the seconds when an extreme storm hit a number of areas in Manitowoc and its surroundings. It was reported last Thursday that a winter storm could bring 7 to 10 inches of snow and treacherous roads in Manitowoc County. Not only that, it was reported that due to this extreme storm it was predicted that travel would be very difficult due to dangerous conditions on Thursday night and Friday morning. The authorities appeal to the entire community to remain vigilant and careful in carrying out outdoor activities due to the extreme weather conditions that are hitting their area over the next few days.
I don't care. I'll complain about the cold all day, but got some falling snow in the air.